So this month marks my 4th year that I've been purchasing with my own money a seasonal Fabfitfun subscription box. Long before Fabfitfun knew who I was, I started my channel July of 2016, and that fall box was my first unboxing. I used to do them with my daughter Brooke, and here we are 4 years later, and some of you are probably wondering why I am purchasing a box with my own money still if they now send them to me for free. And I'm going to answer that in this video. There is a reason. I also want to share with you in this video some brands I never would have discovered if it weren't for me subscribing to Fabfitfun as long as I have. And I want to share with you a sampling of products that I use in my everyday life on a regular basis that I love, so that if you're considering subscribing to Fabfitfun, you can kind of get an idea of some of the things that you'll receive, and you'll understand part of the reason why I love it so much. So one of the reasons why I continue to partner with Fabfitfun, and this video is in partnership with Fabfitfun, is because they get that when you receive a variety of brands in a subscription box, that everything may not work for you, and they allow me to give my honest opinions of all of the products in the box. For me, there's a few main reasons why Fabfitfun stands out as a subscription box. Most subscription boxes may include 1 or 2 full-size products with mostly travel sizes and some sample size products, but every single product in Fabfitfun boxes are full-size products. I also appreciate the variety that's included in the boxes. It's not just a beauty subscription box. It includes wellness, fashion, and lifestyle products as well. And oftentimes, those are the products that I end up keeping the most of. I appreciate the fact that Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. Receiving a box 4 times a year versus monthly really gives me something to look forward to. And finally, the value. I've always gotten a great value out of every single box that I've gotten. Each Fabfitfun box is $49.99 a box. You can save $10 off your first box with my code down below. They guarantee that the value of each box will be over $200, and every one that I have gotten has been worth well over $200. But not only that, even if I were to just keep 1 or 2 products from each box, the value of those products is worth way more than what I actually paid for the box. All right, let's start with brands that I discovered. A lot of you that have been following me for a while may associate me with one specific jewelry brand because I wear it so much. I pulled out a necklace from this brand from a box and loved it. That prompted me to delve more into the brand, and I believe this was the first necklace that I purchased from Gorjana, and it's been a downward spiral ever since. I have so many pieces from Gorjana, but that's just an example of a jewelry brand that you could possibly get from Fabfitfun. And just to go into another product that you could also receive, or a type of product, this double coin necklace from the brand Amber Sceats. I love this necklace, and you could actually turn it around and, you know, flip it to that side. They do put some really nice jewelry pieces in the boxes, and I will be showing another one here in a minute because I have it on my body right now. This Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler is my favorite detangler prep heat spray that I use, and I discovered it through Fabfitfun. I never would have bought it otherwise because I wouldn't have thought it would be any different than other products that I have, but it really is different. It has a great scent to it. It really does protect my hair up to 450 degrees. It makes it smoother and it detangles it. I freaking love this stuff. I want to say I've gone through like 6 or 7 bottles since getting my first bottle in Fabfitfun. I discovered the skincare brand Farmacy through Fabfitfun. They had the Do It All eye cream in a box, and I thought it was really good. So I checked out some other products, and they're one of my favorite skincare brands now. You guys have heard me talk about them in several videos on Instagram. I love that brand. I actually rediscovered a product through Fabfitfun, and that's the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I thought I didn't like this, but when I received it in Fabfitfun, I decided to retry it. So I think that the value of this is worth about what the cost of the box is. This is a beautiful luxury dry shampoo that has such a luxurious, gorgeous scent to it. I think I was using too much before, and when I tried it again after getting it here, I realized that I didn't need to use that much, and I love it. I've now gone through several bottles of this. This is such a great dry shampoo. I don't have this product in here, but it is in my daughter's bathroom because this is her no fail Frizz styling cream, and that is the Living Proof No Frizz styling cream. She has very wavy but fine hair, and she discovered that product through Fabfitfun, and I have to repurchase it for her all the time because it really helps keep her hair smooth in our humid weather, and she won't be without it. But I'm not sure if that's a product we would have tried if we hadn't received it in a box. Okay, now let's get to some products that I absolutely love and can't imagine my life without them. We're a blanket household. I know a lot of you are too, and not all blankets are created equally. Some are softer and more plush and luxurious than others. You know how you have that blanket in your life that everybody wants? Everybody wants to get under it. When you have company over, they're like, where did you get this blanket? That is this blanket here. This is called the Lil Marshmallow. I've washed it so many times. It is so soft and thick, but it doesn't, you know, make me swelter underneath it either. It's also a good size. I can fit, you know, my whole body underneath it. I love this. So when I received this product, I didn't realize how much I was actually going to use it. I, you know, kept it, but I was kind of thinking, you know, that'll come in handy, maybe. But I actually can't count how many times I've used this, and it holds a lot. This is the Business and Pleasure Co. cooler, and it looks like it's just this, you know, simple little cooler, but I've actually brought this to the beach. It's really great because of the bottom. There's something about the shape of it that works really well. It just holds a lot. It's got pockets. I don't know. I love this. I just don't think I knew how much I needed a cooler that was that shape and size and weight. It's also really, really light to carry, and you know, you don't want added weight when you have, you know, a bunch of ice and stuff in here. It's just a really handy cooler to carry. It's not cumbersome. I really had no idea how much I was going to end up using this. You'll probably notice that most of my items aren't beauty. I feel like I focus way more on practical items, home items, things that I'll actually use or find pleasure in, and you know, a few beauty items, but you know, I'm kind of on beauty overload here, so that's a large reason why. So here are two decorative items that I just thought were really pretty, and I display these, I use this for jewelry. You could use it for soap, but they've had a few items that are very similar to this. This is from Summer and Rose, and there have been a few items that are very similar to this in various boxes. I just think it's so beautiful, and I love having things in my life that just make me smile and make me feel good, make me happy, and that's kind of what these things do. This is an Isaac Mizrahi vase that I just thought was kind of pretty and nice, and I keep it in my bedroom and it makes me happy. I raved about this bracelet when I got it, and I have worn it several times since. I mean, you know, we haven't had a whole lot of places to go, but I wear it when I can. I love it. I think it's edgy and fun. I'm familiar with the brand of this bracelet, Jenny Bird, which is a very good brand, and the value of this bracelet was really nice. I just love this bracelet. I just think it's super cool. I have a few robes, and this is my most worn by far. This is from Show Me Your Muumuu. It's nice and lightweight. It hits at the knee. It's just super soft and comfortable, and where I live, it is hot most of the year, so this kind of a robe makes sense, and I never had one that fit this criteria until I got this. And this isn't something I would think to buy for myself. I feel like that's how a lot of this stuff is. I would never buy myself that blanket. I would never buy the cooler, but now that I have them, I can't imagine not having them, you know? This is the Revive light therapy device. This is a device that helps treat wrinkles and helps with anti-aging from a deep cellular level. This is kind of a pricey product, and it's a product that I need to get into the habit of using more regularly, but my intent is there. But I just think that it's awesome that this is an option in these boxes, because this is also an item that I would not have bought myself, but I'm glad I have it because I have a few, spots on this forehead that I really do want to test this with. This Vera color switch. This is what you can clean your brushes with in between shades. So if you just want to quickly change shades while you're in the middle of doing your makeup, this gets everything off. I live with this on my makeup table, cannot be without it. These are the CalPak travel packing cubes. What I like about this set in particular is that, first of all, it's from a very reputable brand. There's also pockets on the back, which makes it extra functional. I have a few travel packing cube sets, and I've been really impressed with this one. I was just happy to get a set like this in my box. This is the original makeup eraser. Fabfitfun included this in a box, and it is a beloved product by my daughter Brooke. It is what she uses regularly to remove her dance makeup, her regular makeup, and she was super excited when they included one in a box because she wanted to steal it, and she did. Fabfitfun did send me a new one to show you guys. This is just kind of a microfiber cloth, but it just takes everything off, and it's really, really soft. It's not harsh or anything like that. She swears by it. She won't use anything else, I swear. And that's another thing that I have liked, is that every now and then we would get products, and by we, I mean Brooke, my daughter, and I, we would get products that we use regularly in our everyday life, and it would be, kind of a backup. So they've included things from Briogeo, Bite Beauty, the Wonder Beauty eye patches that I keep in regular rotation, Kula sunscreen, Moleskine notebooks, and then original products that I've really never seen anything like them before. This is the silked pillow sleeve. It's silk on one side, and on the other it's cotton, and it's a sleeve. So it's hollow, and you just slip it over your pillow. So it's just a super easy change. You can use it if you're traveling too, and you just want to slip something over the pillow that's there. I've really enjoyed this and didn't even know such a thing existed. And it helps your silk satin pillow not slip around, which is really nice. So this Solstice Diffuser, I just thought was super, super cute. And it did come, with the diffuser oil stuff, which of course I've gone through already, but I love the jar so much that I just use other scents in here and keep it out. I love this. This goes with so many different home decor styles, which I think is really nice. So as far as why do I purchase a box when I get one for free, when I started working with Fabfitfun on a regular basis, I kept my subscription and I give that box to either my niece or my mom, and they really enjoyed it. And my thought process was that if there ever came a time that they came to me and they were like, okay, that's enough products, or, I'm not keeping these anymore, take some back, that would kind of tell me something, and they never have. They love all of the products that they get, and I kind of enjoy having a stake in it. The other subscription boxes that I got before, I got some sent for free, and I just eventually stopped talking about them for a reason, because I just didn't get excited about them anymore, and so they stopped sending me the boxes. And of course, the ones I didn't want to purchase anymore, I stopped purchasing. But there's a reason why I get so excited every time I get a notice that my Fabfitfun box is on the way. There's a reason why I keep purchasing the extra one. I just genuinely enjoy it this much, and I get value from every box that I get. I hope you enjoyed this overview of Fabfitfun. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the description box. Thank you yet again to Fabfitfun for partnering with me on this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at my next video. Bye.